The city of Calgary didn't think the province's opt-in proof of vaccine plan went far enough. So today it brought into effect its own bylaw. More businesses must now require immunization as cases and hospitalizations in Alberta surge.
This was preventable. This didn't have to be this way. But we are here. And right now our job is to look after one another and to get through this tough time the way we always do, and that is together.
Some doctors say last week's provincial measures weren't just too late, they were too little.
The reality is that unless Alberta implements some form of lockdown type public health restrictions, we're not going to get this in control.
Gibney worries the virus could spread at this weekend's planned full-capacity NHL game in Calgary, even though there's a vaccine requirement. The province's hospitals are already on the brink. ICUs are at 89% capacity.
We have never, ever had that number of total patients in ICU before, never with the prior waves, and never in the history of this province.
Critical care triage protocols could be enacted if ICU capacity hits 90%, meaning some restrictions on which patients might get into the ICU. Today, Ottawa offered some help. Public Safety Minister Bill Blair says the federal government will support the provincial government's recent request and provide the necessary support to Albertans during this difficult time. Canadian Forces will send ICU nurses and other staff to help with airlifting patients. Help that many here think shouldn't have been necessary.
I think we're too late. I think we've waited too long. I think our Premier has been negligent in his job, and I think he should resign if he's any half of a man.
And Paige, so today we got a pretty stark picture of where things stand from health officials, right?
Adrienne, the head of Alberta Health Services, put it bluntly. One of the reasons that they still have space in the ICU is because people are dying, and that's creating openings. They're calling it a fragile balance. Each day they're admitting about 23 new ICU patients to hospitals, and today 100% of those people were unvaccinated. And, you know, officials say that for Alberta hospitals, as they get hit by these highs day after day, it's just truly an unprecedented situation.
All right, Paige, thank you. Paige Parsons in Edmonton tonight.